Thank you, Eric. This breaking report is about Communitas and unity in the Philippine popular culture. The topics in this report are Communitas, unity, Bayanihan, and examples of Bayanihan in Philippine mass media through commercial or ads, social media, TV shows, and movies. And the first topic is Communitas. Let's ask our fellow Filipino on what they can say about Communitas. Communitas is a community created in response to a situation or a difficulty, a job, a mission that demands each plan to discover a new important solution to complete the task. Relationships are transformed into comradeships. All movements that transform will appear to have togetherness, the same that they have each other's backs. To really complete your goals, you must be loving, serving, and working together. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. And now let's ask our fellow LGBT citizen on what they can say about Communitas. And Communitas occurs as a result of attempting to do something that requires trying to learn to love each other in deeper and more profound ways, as a group of brothers and sisters who rely on each other very deeply and are disappointed when someone fails to complete their task within a given framework because we truly rely on each other to survive. Thank you, man. You're welcome. And there you have it. Back to studio. Merlin. Thank you, Zombie. And now for the next topic, let's tackle about unity. Let's watch a short presentation. What is real unity? In the human world, there are many collective expressions of unity. Physically, man is unified by being set apart from the animal kingdom. There is the unity of the different language, the unity of the family, the unity of the governments, political parties, and organizations. There is racial unity and cultural unity, but all these are limited forms of unity and have limited effects in the world. They are not real unity because they do not include everyone in the world of humanity. It is said that the purpose of true unity is real and divine in its outcomes, and that this unlimited unity produces unlimited results. In order for real unity to be real and true, it must first be a unity that recognizes that man is one, that humanity is a tree and each person is like a leaf on its tree, each being unique but not separate from the whole, and that this tree is sheltered beneath the overshadowing glory of the All Glorious. All are servants of one God, living on the same earth, receive light from the same sun, growing and developing on the same land, and are under the protection of the same God. This is the greatest unity, and if man adheres to it, the results are lasting. Unfortunately, here too man has violated spiritual unity and has chosen a sectarian or other limited unities such as racial, patriotic, or unity of self-interest, and is mostly unaware of what a spiritual unity is. Therefore, no great results have been forthcoming. In the last 150 years, the mind of man has developed and his perception sharpened. Science and technology have increased, becoming widespread, so that now the capacity and means exist for reclamation and promulgation of the real, unlimited unity of mankind. Another unity is the spiritual unity which is said to emanate from the breast of the Holy Spirit. It is greater than the unity of mankind. It is found in the heart. Human unity or solidarity may be likened to the body, whereas unity from the breast of the Holy Spirit is the Spirit animating that body. This is a perfect unity. It creates such a condition in mankind that each one will make sacrifices for the other, and the utmost desire will be to forfeit life and all that pertains to it on behalf of another's good. This is what caused the believers of God to give their life in love and devotion to each other and God. Those who are wedded to this unity see the friends and the stranger as one. Throughout history, every soul who believed in the divine manifestation of their day became revived and resuscitated through the Spirit and attained the zenith of eternal glory, realized the life everlasting, experienced the second birth, and rose to the acme of good fortune. When this unity is realized on a global scale of the world, of humanity will be made into a new world, and the ways of the world in which we live now will be remembered as a bad dream that faded into history. Haha, I hope you didn't get a nosebleed from that. Now let's talk about Bayanihan and examples of Bayanihan in Philippine mass media.
Bayanihan literally means being in a bayan. It refers to a fundamental aspect of Filipino culture, working together as a community to achieve a common goal. Bayanihan is the Filipinos' way of helping one another. It can be observed during fiestas, funerals, and other community undertakings like community pantry. During Bayanihan, Filipinos do acts of service or share their resources to those in need. In the old days within the Philippine countryside, people moved houses literally. When a family was moving, the whole community volunteered to lift the family's home and literally carry the family's house to its new location. Today, the term has been adopted to refer to local civil efforts. Regular Filipinos working together to uplift their fellow compatriots. The Bayanihan spirit shows Filipinos' concept of helping one another, most especially in times of need, without expecting anything in return. Filipinos strongly believe in helping their kababayans in any possible way they can do to extend a helping hand. It is a beautiful Filipino mentality of helping one another. The Bayanihan spirit is still alive. There are still people in rural areas that transfer their house in another place, and people still help. Furthermore, the Bayanihan spirit lives on among Filipinos even in modern days and has been demonstrated in many forms, such as when natural calamities or disasters strike. Filipinos will go out of their way to help their kababayans.
Here are examples of Bayanihan in mass media. In TV shows, Pinoy Big Brother, more popularly known by its abbreviated title PBB, is the Philippine version of the Big Brother reality game show franchise. Next is Minute to Win It. Minute to Win It is a Philippine game show based on the original American game show with the same name. Contestants take part in a series of 60-second challenges that use objects that are commonly available around the house. Next is It's Showtime. It's Showtime is a Philippine noontime variety show broadcast by Kapamilya Channel under ABS-CBN Entertainment that premiered on October 24, 2009. Next are examples of Bayanihan in movies. First is Goyo, the Boy General. The life of Gregorio del Pilar, one of the youngest generals during the Philippine-American War, fought in the Battle of Tyrant Pass. Next is General Luna. It is a 2015 Filipino historical biopic film depicting General Antonio Luna's leadership of the Philippine Revolutionary Army during the Philippine-American War. Next is El Presidente, or General Emilio Aguinaldo's story in the First Philippine Republic, or simply El Presidente. It's a 2012 biographical film written and directed by Mark Emili about the life of General Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippine Republic. And lastly, Bonifacio, ang unang Pangulo. It's a 2014 Philippine historical action drama film centering on the life of the Hapunan revolutionary Andres Bonifacio. It is an official entry to the 40th Metro Manila Film Festival.
Those are my summaries of Communitas and Unity in the Philippine popular culture and examples of Bayanihan in Philippine mass media. This is Merlin Dre reporting. Back to you, Eric.